This quick tutorial will show how to buy shares of LINC Educational Services Corporation, a career-focused education provider listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker LINC. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LINC or the company name to locate the listing. Select the result that matches LINC Educational Services Corporation to access the correct asset. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, the NASDAQ listing, and the LINC ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if there are insufficient balances before confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. Check the link in the description to follow the same eToro example shown in this video.